everyone, this is Donaldson with Excel Weight Loss Solutions, and welcome to another episode of True Confessions of a Holistic Weight Loss Dietitian. And today I have a really great recipe for you. We're going to talk about that in just a moment, but first we're going to have true confession time because I'm pretty sure this is something that most everybody can relate to. Again, I have this great recipe here with some broccoli and cauliflower, blueberries, almonds, and so on. But how many times have you ever gone to the store with the absolute very best of intentions and you bought all of the right ingredients, you have all the vegetables in the refrigerator, the fruit and everything that you need, and then, I don't know, a week or a couple weeks later you open the fridge and, oh man, there it is. All of the vegetables are like on the very back of the refrigerator, maybe buried in the crisper part, and they're moldy and slimy and gross and limp and lifeless, and you didn't eat them, and so now you actually are wasting them and you have to end up throwing them away. I truly admit that I have done this. I confess it to all of you right now. I've done this a lot. I used to do it all the time. And then to make it worse, I'd find the garbage and then I would put the vegetables, the rotten stuff, at the very bottom of the garbage can, cover it up with some other stuff so that nobody would see. So not good on the pocketbook, not good for my health, not good for whatever diet program you happen to be on. But here's the truth. You can actually have all of the ingredients sitting right there in your refrigerator or in your pantry. But if you have something else going on, if you have a craving or some emotional eating that is going on, you're going to reach for the other stuff 9 times out of 10, even if you have the healthy stuff there. And that's what makes it a little bit tricky. So today I want to just share and give you a gift. If you'd like to learn more about what might be going on with your cravings and your emotional eating, I invite you to go to my website, excelweightloss.com. It's EXCELWEIGHTLOSS.com. And on the right-hand side of the homepage, there's a place for you to click, enter your info, and I will send you a free copy of my book, Mind Body Solutions for Permanent Weight Loss. And in the book I talk a whole bunch about what's going on behind our cravings and our emotional eating, and then also the tools and the techniques that I use for my clients and also for myself to help us actually eat the vegetables that we buy at the store and not reach for the gunky stuff. So I warmly invite you to check that out, and if I can help, of course, I would love to. All right, that was our true confession for today. If you have the same deal going on, call me, write me, I'll help you get it figured out. Now on to the recipe. So this one is so easy, guys, it's really ridiculous. We're starting off with some chopped up broccoli and cauliflower. Super easy there. Adding in some blueberries, fresh blueberries. I've already added a few. I'm going to add the rest of them. The blueberries are going to give you some really healthy carbs, and they're also a great source of fiber. Lots of antioxidants, phytonutrients, and so on. We're going to throw in some chopped up almonds. So the almonds, again, there's a purpose to all of these ingredients. The almonds are giving us a healthy source of protein and fats and also some more fiber. Now you can leave the recipe just as it is right now, but you could also cook up some chicken and add that into your salad as well if you wanted a little bit heartier or you needed some more protein. I actually cooked the chicken from frozen chicken breasts in my Instant Pot this morning. I'm loving this thing. They cooked in about 10 minutes and they're really moist and tender, which is fabulous. So if you don't have one of those, you might check that out. And then you're simply going to top it with your favorite dressing. For this particular one, I like a poppy seed dressing. Add the dressing, mix it all together, and you can eat off of this for a couple of days. Super yummy, super delicious, really, really healthy for you. Easy to put together. I think you're going to love it. Again, this is Donaldson from Excel Weight Loss Solutions. You can find me at excelweightloss.com. Sign up for a free copy of my book if you'd like to. Reach out if there's something I can help you with. And until next time, have a lovely, lovely day. I wish you the best experience with your life and with your food, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.